In today's video, I'm about to show you 5 different AI robots that you can use to make up to $800 a day, as you will be learning how to use them in your business and how I personally use them to scale my online business to 6 figures. AI is simply artificial intelligence for those who don't know, and this is a machine that has been engineered to mimic human behavior, which means when you give it tasks, it gets it done faster, more efficient, which means you get to become more productive. And also, AI saves you a lot of time and a lot of money. And the first tool on the list is generated photos, which means this platform lets you generate real human images which you can use for your business. And what this simply means, you can use these images in your landing pages, in your campaigns. Basically, you can use it for any form of promotion online, and you can use this to make money easily. You can see unique, worry-free model photos which are super realistic, and most people would not notice it at all. As you can see, they are created from scratch with AI, which you can use for art, design, research, and you can also use it for machine learning as well. So if you come over to this platform and you click on human generator, it's going to bring you to this page, and you can also type in a simple prompt and it's going to generate that type of human for you. And now you can see this image right here. If I come over here and I click on randomize, as you can see, it has generated another image for me. And all I simply need to do is to come over to this prompt section. And if I type in anything here, it's going to generate that prompt for me. And I can use this image on my landing pages for my campaigns or for whatever sort of promotion I'm doing with my online business. All right, so as you can see here, you can also change the gender. You can also come over here, you can change the age as well. So you can basically come over to set the skin tone, the ethnicity, whatever you want to do here. You can come over and create your own human imagery, which you can use for your online business. And if you are done, you can simply come over here and click on download to download this image to your device and start using it freely online. And the second tool on the list is writer.me. And this tool right here has a special place in my heart because I have used this tool to generate a lot of content on my social media platform. And I've also used it for my art as well. As you can see, with Writer, you can generate original and compelling content that sounds like you, which means human and not a robot. And I can tell you for free, Writer is one of the best out there, which you can use to create content that sounds realistic, and you can use this to scale your online business easily. And also another amazing feature of Writer, unlike other competitors, is that it has a plagiarism checker, which means whatever content it generates for you, it's 100% unique and not just copy and paste from other websites online. So as you can see, they have a free plan, which means you can get started for absolutely free without spending any money. However, if you are serious about making money online, I highly recommend to go with any of the paid plans right here. And I'm going to leave the link down in the description. And with this plan, you can definitely use this to scale your online content easily. As you can see, you can create unlimited content using this tool without any problem. And if you go over to select any of these plans, it's going to bring you to this page. And as you can see here, you can select a use case. And if I come over here, you can see you can create copywriting, cover letter. You can even create emails. You can reply to emails. Whatever you can think of, you can use Writer to do it. Another important tool here is SEO, which means you can use Writer to create SEO optimized content, which means you get to rank your content on Google easily and start making money with free traffic. So if I come over here as an example and I type in make money online, and also you want to select the tone depending on whatever you are working with. So for me, I'm going to select informative because usually you want to make sure you give your audience value, and in return, they are most likely going to take action on your page and you'll be making money. So if I click on this right for me, so because I selected this blog idea and outline, it gave me title, which I can use to start creating content right away with this tool. As you can see, we can use this as our title, and I can also use this as well as our title, top 5 legitimate ways to make money online for beginners. And the third tool I use on the list is play.ht. And this is a platform that helps you generate AI voices. And this platform is the best in this industry because they give you voices that sound like genuine human voices, which means you won't be able to even tell it's a robot because it's of high quality. And I usually use this for my voiceovers, YouTube automation channels, blog content, and I also use it for my sales videos as well. So just as you can see right here, generate AI voices indistinguishable from humans. Just like I said, it's of high quality. All right. So you can test out their voices by clicking on this play button, or you can come over here and click on generate AI voice for free. So if we do that, we will be able to create an account. So all you want to then do from here is to click on create audio, and this is where you then want to type in your text. And the fourth tool on the list is InVideo, and with this tool you can create short form content, which is currently in demand now more than ever. And you can literally create a brand new social media account. I'm talking about TikTok, Instagram Reels, Facebook Reels, and YouTube Shorts. And you can use these videos to grow your account from 0 to 100k followers in less than 2 months. So many of my students have done this, and there's no reason you can't do this as well. So basically, if you come over to invideo.io, you can create videos with just text prompts. All you simply need to do is to type in a text prompt, and InVideo is going to create ready-made videos for you, which means you don't have to worry about writing a script, adding visuals, subtitle, voiceovers, and music, which would have cost you a lot of money if you were to hire freelancers to do this for you. With InVideo, you can create unlimited videos in few minutes. So once you create an account, your dashboard is going to look like this, and this is where you can type in a text prompt and generate a video right away. So if you come back to writer.me again as an example, so if I copy this title, 5 ways to make money online as a beginner, all I simply need to do is to paste in that title right here, and I click on generate a video. And as you can see, in less than a minute, InVideo has created a video for us. So as you can see for yourself, you don't have to worry about creating visuals, editing the video, adding voiceover, music, and all that. InVideo is going to do everything for you, and this means you can save a lot of time and a lot of money hiring freelancers. And with this tool, you can generate unlimited videos every single day, and you can start uploading them on these platforms and start growing massively and start making money. And I'm going to leave a link down in the description, and I highly recommend to go with at least the plus plan, because this way you can remove the watermark from your video. And the final tool on the list is grammarly.com, and with this tool it helps you write better, especially if you are not a native English speaker or English isn't your first language. Using this tool is very helpful if you are into blogging, copywriting, or if you are a web developer, as this can save you a lot of money and a lot of time, as Grammarly helps you remove all grammatical errors and spelling mistakes you might have made when creating content. And even if you are a student, it's still helpful, as this tool can help you enhance your academics. So if you come over to the platform, as you can see right here, better writing, better results. And just like I said, if you're a copywriter, you don't want to make a mistake when you are writing your ad copy on your landing page or on your website, as people can see that, and they would and that would drastically reduce their decision to take any action on your page, which is going to cost you a lot of money. I highly recommend using this tool to enhance your writing online. So basically that brings us to the end of this video. And if you combine all of the tools I mentioned in this video, there is absolutely no reason for you not to scale your online business easily, especially using writer.me and using invideo.io. These two tools alone can help you start making money online right away. So basically, if you like this video, I highly recommend to check out this video on your screen right now, as this is the next video you should watch if you want to make money online.